Meaning of free-to-air.
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 Free-to-air. Free-to-air refers to television or radio broadcasts that are available to the public at no cost. These broadcasts are typically funded by advertising revenue rather than paid subscriptions. Free-to-air programs can provide a wide range of content, including news, entertainment, sports, and educational programming. They are primarily transmitted via terrestrial, satellite, or cable distribution systems, and can be received through a variety of devices such as TVs, radios, and receivers. Free-to-air broadcasting is popular worldwide, providing access to information and entertainment for millions of people who may not otherwise be able to afford it.